I remember all the chords and he remembers all the lyrics.
I set my worries aside, stepped into that muddy water, carried off with the tide, far away from my mother and father. They treated me like a ghost, all I wanted was to be remembered. Three things that I feared the most, so I fought like hell to defend them. Now I made a wave crashing on the beach, while the moon spins around with her lover, tossing and turning in the sheets, buried under heavy cover. Was there beauty in terrible things? Was it wondrous to be forgiven? Sparrow with a broken wing, in her last spiraling plummet. I'm haunted by her song and the flutter of wings on the pavement. Time doesn't stand still for long, and I know she won't be remembered. She deserves something more than a lonely, chaotic ending. When the sun is sinking low, I can see her in the gathering darkness, and I see the end of it all. And I see the end of it all. The end of it all. The end of it all. I see the end of it all.
Fires burn on the mountainside. Where do we go? Yes, where do we go? Everywhere, nowhere to hide. Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Yes, where do we go? When our world is done, things are bad. It's time to find, not sit and cry. Where do we go from here? Hurricanes blow on the shores away. Where do we go? Yes, where do we go? No rain a single day. Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Yes, where do we go? When the world is dying, things are bad. Time to fight, not sit and cry. Where do we go from here? Winds and blew our houses down. Where do we go? Where do we go? It's all go underground. Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Yes, where do we go? When the world is down, things are bad. It's time to fight, not sit and cry. Where do we go from here? Families It's time to fight, not sit and cry. Where do we go from here? Trees are gone and the bees are gone. Where do we go? Where do we go? Been long, we're all gone. Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Yes, where do we go? In a world that's dying, things are bad. It's time to fight, not sit and cry. Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Yes, where do we go? In a world that's dying, things are bad. It's time to fight, not sit and cry. Where do we go from here?